Alright guys, our problems get a little bit more intense today. So our dividends are like in the 10,000s instead of maybe the hundreds or the thousands. So same process though, same process, bigger numbers. We can do this. Follow the process. It says estimate, then divide, check for reasonableness. I just want you to divide. If you need to check your answer to be confident that you got it right, do it. Okay? If you don't check it and you get it wrong, well, it is what it is. So up to you and how much you care about your work and your grade. Okay, so we're going to do 92 into 76,912. Okay? Alright, let's get started. 92 cannot go into 7. It cannot go into 76. But it can, in some way, go into 769. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of make an educated guess here, right? We are always guessing and checking lately. I think that, so let's see, 9 into 72 is 8, and that's 76, so 9 into 72 is 8. So let's do 92 times 8, because we know that 90 times 8 is 72, so we're close. So let's do 92 times 8 and see how our work comes out, or how close we get. So 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 9 is 72 plus 1 is 73, right? Okay, so 736. Can we add 92 to this one more time and not go over 769? No, we cannot. It would go way over. It'd be over 800, or maybe close. Anyway, okay, so 8 sounds like a good number to start with here. 8 times 92 is 736. Okay, let me line that up a little better so my math isn't right. Okay, 9 minus 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, 3. Okay, so 9 minus 6 is 3. 6 minus 3, 3. 7 minus 7, 0. Okay, bring down our 1. Okay, so now we're looking at how many times 92 might go into 331. So I know that 9 times 3 is 27, so 90 times 3 would be 270, and that's pretty close to this answer. So we're going to just go over here and we're going to try 3. Okay, so we ended up with 276. If we added 92 to 276 again, we would go over 331. So that's a good answer there. So 3 times 92 is 276, and let's subtract. Okay, so we're going to have to cancel this guy out, make it a 2, make this 11, minus 6 is 5. 7 can't be taken away from 2, so we have to cancel this out, make it a 2, make this a 12, minus 7 is 5, 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, bring down the 2. Whew, these numbers, man. Okay, so we know that 9 can go into 55, or like 90 can go 550. 9 can go into 55 about, let's see, 6 times, maybe? Because 9 times 6 is 54. Okay, perfect. So let's try to do 92 times 6. 90, 54, 55. Oh, look at that. 552 exactly. So we know that 6 times 92 is 552. Sorry, my math is running into my paper here. And we have no remainder. So my answer here is 836. Okay, I would highly suggest using another piece of paper. Otherwise, you might get kind of lost, or your paper is going to look crazy. But if you use another piece of paper, make sure to staple it to this paper when you turn it in. Okay, I need to see that work. All right. Let's do one more together. We're going to do Number 5. Turtles and tortoises have long lifespans. A tortoise can live up to 54,750 days. How many years can a tortoise live? So we have to turn these days into years by dividing 365 into that number. So 365 divided into 54,750. Okay? All right. First things first, 365 cannot go into 5. It cannot go into 54, but it could go into 547. I think it'll only go one time, but I'm going to do some extra math over here. 365 times 2, see if it will go in twice, but I don't think it will. No, 730 is way too high. Okay, so it'll only go in one time. 1 times 365. Subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. Make that 14. Make this a 4. 14 minus 6 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. Wait, 14, no, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, okay. So we're good on the right track here. Now we have to bring down this 5. Okay, so we know that 365 times 2 is 730, but we need to see how many times 365 goes into 1,825. So let's try like 4 times, and I'm just guessing. Let's see if it works. 24 divided by 6, 4, 12, nope, yep, 12, 13, 14. Okay, can 365 go into, can I add that one more time to this and not go over 1825? I think so. Let's do 365 times 5, because this number is a little bit too far below this number. I think we could add 365 to this one more time and get closer to 1,825. So let's do 365 times 5. Oh, 8, okay, 25, 32, 15, 16, 17, 18. And look what we got, 1,825. So we got it right on the nose. Okay, so this is a 5. 5 times 365, 1,825. Subtract those and we have 0, 0, 0, 0 all across the board. Bring down our last 0 and we still have to do one more step. Okay? 365 can go into 0 times. Okay, we have to add that 0. Because if we go check our work, 365 times 15 instead of 150, let's see if our answer's right. 32, 18, add a 0, 5, 6, 3, 5, 7, 8, 14, 3, 4, 5. Nope. We are off by an entire place value. So that 0 makes up for the 0 that should be here in our answer. So our answer would definitely have to be 150 times 365. Okay? So our answer is 150 years. Alright? Like I said, a lot of work. Show your work. Guess and check. Don't be afraid to double, triple check your answers. Okay? And good luck.